Okay, so for example 3, we are going to have to simplify sine of x times the cosine of x, all divided by 1 minus the cosine squared of x. It looks kind of scary, but it actually isn't. This denominator is just a variation of this right here. And to get this from this, all we're really going to do is subtract the cosine squared of theta from each side of this equation. And when we do that, this cancels, and we're left with sine squared of theta is equal to, let me get this out of here because I need more room, 1 minus the cosine squared of theta. So 1 minus the cosine squared of theta is really just another way of saying sine squared theta. So I can replace this sine of x, I can replace the denominator with the sine squared of x, in this case, not theta, because x is our angle measure. Now, what I'm going to do is rewrite this as sine of x times itself, really. So it's sine of x times the cosine of x, all divided by sine of x times itself. And I think it becomes really evident what's going to cancel here when I write it this way. Sine squared just means sine of x times itself. Sine of x in the numerator cancels out sine of x in the denominator. And what I'm left with is the cosine of that angle divided by the sine of that angle. Well, you know that sine divided by cosine the other way around is the tangent. So this is the reciprocal of the tangent. So this is the cotangent. So this equals the cotangent of angle x. So all of this really just simplifies to the cotangent of angle x.